Set up EarthVPN L2TP on Windows 7. To begin setting up a new network connection, bring up the Start menu and select Control Panel. The Control Panel gets displayed. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center on the right panel. Click Set up a new connection or network. A wizard to set up a connection or network gets displayed. Choose Connect to a workplace to set up a VPN connection. Click Next. Choose Use My Internet Connection, VPN. Your already active internet connection is used to establish a new one to EarthVPN. In the text box labeled Internet Address, type EarthVPN Server Address. This is the internet address of the EarthVPN servers. In the text box labeled Destination Name, type EarthVPN. This is the name of the connection, and will show up in the Connect to a Network screen when we're done. Lastly, make sure that the checkbox labeled Don't Connect Now, Just Set It Up So I Can Connect Later is checked. Then click the Next button. In this screen, enter your EarthVPN username and password. In the text box labeled Username, enter your EarthVPN username. In the text box labeled Password, enter your EarthVPN password. Optionally, check the Remember This Password checkbox and you won't have to enter your password when you connect to EarthVPN. Then, click the Create button. The wizard displays a message saying the connection would be ready to use. Still, do not connect now. Further configuration needs to be done. Click Close. File and printer sharing should generally be disabled on any VPN connection. By disabling these protocols, you prevent your machine from inadvertently leaking information to the internet. Back in the Network and Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Settings from the left pane. A list of available network interfaces appears, among them the newly created one for EarthVPN. Remark that the description for it in brackets says it is configured to be IKF2. This setting is among others that needs to be changed. Right-click on the EarthVPN interface and select Properties from the context menu. In the General tab, verify that your desired EarthVPN server address is used as the host name. Click the Options tab. Make sure that the Windows login domain is not included. The redial attempts should be set to a very high number. Check redial if line is dropped to have your machine always trying to re-establish failed connections. Click PPP Settings. Inside the PPP settings, it is important to have LCP extensions enabled and to have software compression disabled. Close with OK and go on to the Security tab. Change the type of VPN to be Layer 2 tunneling protocol with IPsec, L2TP/IPsec. Set the data encryption to maximum strength encryption, disconnect if server declines. Down below in the authentication context, make sure to have only Microsoft CHAP version 2, MS CHAP v2, selected. On Windows 7, Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, CHAP, needs to be deselect. Click Advanced Settings. Be sure to use lowercase letters and type EarthVPN into the Use Press Hard key for authentication text box. Then click the OK button. Switch to the Networking tab. Uncheck IPv6 from the list of available network protocols. Also uncheck File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks as well as Client for Microsoft Networks from the list of used items and click OK. Finally, enter the last tab, Sharing. If you like to make your EarthVPN connection available to other users available on your machine, check the corresponding setting. Otherwise, just close the dialog window by clicking OK and return to the list of network interfaces. Again, have a look the description of the EarthVPN interface. It is now properly configured to work with L2TP. Close the control panel. Now it is time to bring up your newly created network connection. Click on the network tray icon. A list of configured and active network connections gets displayed. Click EarthVPN. Click the appearing Connect button. A dialog box appears, asking for your username and password. Enter them and click OK. A connection status message will be displayed and disappear after some time. Clicking on the network tray icon again, the list of configured and active network connections displays EarthVPN as connected. Another window will pop up, asking for the location this connection is used at. Choose Public Location. A final dialog gets displayed, detailing your firewall settings. Close it.